Let's make the Amethyst Caipirinha. Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the Amethyst Caipirinha. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. A couple weeks ago, I made this butterfly pea syrup. Recipes here on the channel. Link will be down below if you want to check it out. And I needed things to do with it. There's one recipe in particular I made with it, but I've got a lot of it. It doesn't look like a lot in the bottle, but I've got other bottles. And one of the thoughts I had was, since it's summertime, and I love caipirinhas, what happens if I put this in a caipirinha? And the Amethyst Caipirinha is born. It's so named because my neighbor John looked at it and said, that is amethyst. It's not purple, it's not blue, it's amethyst. So it's the Amethyst Caipirinha. A note on the rum. If you're going to make a caipirinha of any kind, you really do have to be using cachaça of some sort. The Amethyst Caipirinha, I usually make it with a white cachaça. I've got this barrel-aged stuff that is really good, so I'm going to be using that instead, but really use the cachaça that you choose. We are going to make the caipirinha the traditional way, well, as traditional as you can make it, and first thing we're going to do is process our lime. I've got a whole lime here, it is washed, I'm going to cut off the ends. Then I'm going to quarter it vertically. And I'm just going to quarter half of it at this point. I'm going to cut out the center pith. Cutting out the center pith is not necessary, but it removes a little bit of the bitterness by cutting out the pith does, because the bitterness comes from the pith. Now I'm going to cut them in half again, this time horizontally, and I'm going to drop these in my glass. And because it's bothering me, I'm going to go wash my fingers quick. Now that my fingers are clean, I'm going to take 1 ounce of the butterfly pea syrup, and I'm going to put that in the drink. And 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. Whoa, I may have to get another bottle. Hold on, I'll be right back. Another bottle. It's not a full bottle, but it's a partial bottle. It counts as a bottle. A bottle is a bottle. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters of your butterfly pea syrup. I think I said that. Now I'm going to muddle that in the glass, and I do have this muddler. It is hand carved by Tools from Human. They don't have a website yet, but when they do, I will link it down below. It is beautiful. It is maple, it is food safe, and it's long enough that I can use it reverse grip instead of trying to do it this way, which is awkward with my shoulder. So I'm going to muddle this, and I'll be right back. Now that this is muddled, you can see it's turning color, which is beautiful. I'm going to add ice to the glass, and then 2 ounces of your cachaça. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. And since I forgot to get a spoon, I'm going to get a spoon. And now that I have a spoon, I'm going to give it some stirs. I'm going to try and pull it up to get it thoroughly mixed. And then that's it. No garnish. The Amethyst Caipirinha. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day, what is your favorite brand of cachaça? Let me know in the comments down below. I don't know much about the spirit. I've tried some, but not a lot. I would love to try some more. So let me know what you like. Note there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. If you want a t-shirt, you can have a t-shirt. All you have to do is contact me through the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. While you're at the social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.